In our first video, I told you why I am dedicating this channel to democratizing AI, why understand matters more than fear, why this technology belongs to all of us, not just a privileged few. Now, I want to show you something even more exciting, the actual journey we are going to take together. Because this isn't just about understanding AI in the abstract. This is about building real capabilities step by step until you can create AI system with your own hands. And I promise you something, by the end of this journey, you won't just understand AI, you will be able to build it. We are going to start at the very beginning, assuming you know absolutely nothing about AI or computer science, and I mean that literally. Our first question will be fundamental. What is intelligence anyway? Not artificial intelligence, just intelligence. What does it mean for something to be intelligent? Think about it for a moment. You know you are intelligent. You can recognize patterns, solve problems, learn from experience. But how? What is actually happening in your brain when you learn something new? When you recognize a friend's face in a crowd? When you understand the words I'm speaking right now? These aren't just philosophical questions. They are the foundation of everything we will build together. Because before we can create artificial intelligence, we need to understand what intelligence actually is. And exploring these questions will make you think about your own mind in completely new ways. From there, we will explore the philosophy behind artificial intelligence. Questions that will challenge you. Can machines really think? What does it mean to learn? Is consciousness necessary for the intelligence? These aren't abstract debates. They are questions that shape how we design AI systems and what we expect them to do. Once we understand the foundations, we will dive into the different branches of AI. And this is where things get really exciting, because you will see how AI touches nearly everything in your daily life. We will explore computer vision, how machines learn to see and understand images. You'll discover how your phone recognizes your face to unlock, how self-driving cars detect pedestrians, how doctors use AI to spot disease in medical scans that human eyes might miss. We'll unpack natural language processing, how computers learn to understand and generate humans' language. This is how Siri understands your questions, how Google Translate works, how AI can write stories, answer questions, even hold conversations that feel surprisingly human. We will investigate machine learning algorithms that find patterns in data, patterns so subtle, so complex that no human could ever spot them. This is how Netflix knows what you'll want to watch, how banks detect fraudulent transactions, how scientists discover new drugs. But here is where our journey becomes truly transformative. We are not just going to study these concepts, we are going to build them together, starting simple and gradually working our way up to more sophisticated projects. Imagine creating your first program that can recognize whether a photo contains a cat or a dog. It sounds simple, but when you write that code yourself, when you train that model, when you watch it learn from examples, something profound happens. You realize you are not learning about some mysterious black box. You are creating intelligence with your own hands. Then we will build something that can understand sentiment in text. Is this movie review positive or negative? Is this customer happy or frustrated? You will train a system that can read human emotions in written words. From there, maybe we'll create something that predicts pattern, stock prices, weather forecasts, sports outcomes. Not perfectly, because AI isn't magic, but well enough to show you how machines learn from historical data to make informed predictions about the future. We might build something that generates music or writes poetry or creates art. These projects will show you that AI isn't about replacing human creativity, it's about amplifying it, giving you new tools to express ideas you couldn't express before. Here is what I want you to understand. When you build the systems yourself, when you see the code, when you train your first model and watch it learn from data, you will experience something that changes your entire relationship with AI. You'll realize that AI is a tool, like a paintbrush or musical instrument. It doesn't replace the artist. It gives the artist new ways to create. And that's what AI can be in your field, whatever that field is. A tool that amplifies your capability, your creativity, your intelligence. So if you are ready to transform from someone who reads about AI to someone who understands it and builds it, you are in the right place. If you are curious, if you are willing to learn, if you want to be empowered rather than intimidated, let's begin this journey together. Our next video will start at the very beginning. What is intelligence? It's a question that will surprise you, challenge you, and set the foundation for everything we'll discover together. Thank you for being here. Your curiosity is going to change how you see the world. Let's get started.